What if Black women had led WebRTC security design from the very beginning? Hands move across keyboards, implementing unbreakable end-to-end encryption protocols. Every video call would have been secure by default. No corporate espionage through stolen meeting recordings. No intimate image exploitation from hacked cameras. No nation-state surveillance of remote workers during the pandemic. Fingers configure peer-to-peer connections that foreign adversaries could never infiltrate. Telehealth consultations would have been completely private from day one. Remote education systems, unhackable. Breakthrough collaboration tools that governments couldn't breach. She tests cryptographic key exchanges, validates network security protocols. The ripple effects would have changed everything. Today, current WebRTC security improvements are finally approaching this vision. Black women researchers are pioneering zero-trust video communication architectures. They're building the secure future we always needed.